Show, and I'm Steve. And today we're going to do a how-to segment, and it's going to be on how to clean the MagiCard Prima 4 printer, and this one has a lamination unit attached to it. So that's what we're going to cover today, and we're also going to show you the bad photo ID of the day. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about this printer. It's a MagiCard Prima 4. It's a retransfer printer, which means it transfers the image onto the card, so it's not printing directly onto the card. What this means is you get a lifetime warranty on the print head, so you'll never need to buy another print head with this printer, which is pretty exciting. And the other thing is the warranty is 3 years, and it's the only retransfer printer on the market that has a 3-year loaner. So if you ever have a problem the first 3 years, we can get you a loaner printer at no additional cost. It does over-the-edge printing, so the print quality is awesome, and it comes with a USB and an Ethernet connection. So now I want to introduce my technician here, Kyle, who's from down the hall in the tech department. He's going to show you how we clean the printer and the laminator.
Okay, so since this printer has been running for a while, unfortunately we won't be able to run and show you how to actually run the cleaning processes on it. What needs to happen is there's the heating roller in here that transfers the image to the card. That has to be completely cold. Otherwise it will melt your cleaning cards, and that's no good. So first of all, the cleaning cards are just a big plastic card. Come in little individual packages. What you'll do is just go ahead and open this up. And one side is a PVC back, and the other side is a Mylar or sticky back. So you just peel it, and it exposes some adhesive. What you'll do is you'll just go ahead and remove your cards. And then what you'll do is go on the main menu, and you'll just, first option that after clicking menu is cleaning. You'll hit enter. It'll ask you, do you want to clean the rollers? You'll hit enter again. I'll go ahead and do it. It'll say rollers are too hot. So in that case, if the rollers are too hot and you need to clean it, you can go ahead and open the front case, and that will disengage that heating roller that's up in this area. Wait. It takes anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half, depending on temperature of your offices, just climate, everything. But you would go ahead and stick this, sticky side up, PVC side down, into the card like that, and you would go ahead and run the cleaning. It'll take the card through. You'll go ahead and remove these, and it will go ahead and pull it all the way through, and then it will take it back out. It'll pull it all the way through and take it back out, and when it goes to eject the cleaning card, it will actually eject at the bottom underneath the card hopper. That way you know it's done. Once the cleaning is done and you're satisfied, you'll go ahead, insert the cartridges back in, and you'll take a close look at this, and this is just kind of a preventative measure that they've input into the printer, and this just collects dust off the faces of the card. You'll go ahead and make sure that this is clean. If it's not, you can take this card and go ahead and slide it through, and you can flip it over and slide it through. You can also run these under cold water. Just make sure that they're completely 100% dry before you insert it back in the machine. There's only one way you can insert this, and it will go all the way in. You can go ahead and close it and restart your printer. It'll preheat for a couple minutes, and then it'll state that your printer is ready.
All right. Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate you showing that to us. And
yeah,
as promised, here's the bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that, if you have any questions you want to submit to the Ask Steve show, we have a Facebook connection on our website, so go to Facebook, submit it, and if we use your question on the show, we'll send you a gift for helping us out. And the other thing is, if you can call us and let us compare pricing with what you're currently paying or something you're looking at possibly getting for your ID solutions, we will give you a $5 $5 Starbucks card. And just see our website for the details on that offer. And that's at idedge.com, or call us at 800-798-3343.
I turned 20.